Hello sewing lovers, welcome to another interesting and educative video on sleeve pattern. This sleeve pattern is very beginner friendly. So we are going to use our sleeve measurement of sleeve length 8 inches. We are going to use our round arm of 14 inches. So let's get started. First of all, our paper is on fold. Our paper is on fold, and then we begin by measuring our sleeve length of 8 inches. We are going to mark 8 inches, and we are going to connect it with a straight line. Here we have our sleeve length. The next thing we are going to do is to measure our cap height. To measure our cap height, and the cap height for an adult, for an average adult, is 5 inches. So we are going to measure 5 inches, and we are going to connect with a straight line. So we are labeling our lines. We have our sleeve length and cap height. You're watching Carol Creations online tutorials. So we are going to draw a diagonal line between the shoulder line and the cap height line. On this diagonal line, we are going to look for the midpoint. So we are going to measure this diagonal line, which is 10 inches. We are going to look for the midpoint, and that is 5 inches. We make a mark there. So we have two sections. On this section between the midpoint and the end of the paper, we are going to find another midpoint, which is 2.5, and on that position we are going to go down by half an inch and we mark. So we are going downward by half an inch. So we have 3 points to connect. We are going to connect these 3 points using our curve ruler. So we are going to place the ruler and connect our points. Take your time. Connect the points with a smooth curve. On the shoulder part of the sleeve, which is the next section of the armhole, we are going to also look for the midpoint, which is also 2.5 inches. We place a mark there, and on that point we are going to move upward. Take note that on this first section we moved inward, but now we are moving outward by half an inch. So we also have 3 points that we are going to link up. We are going to link up these 3 points. So we are going to use our curve ruler, and we link up these points with a smooth curve. You can either use a curve ruler or your free hand. You link these points with a smooth curve, and that gives us our armhole curve. This part is the part that will join with the armhole. This is the part of the sleeve that will join with the armhole. You're watching Carol Creations online tutorials. Now we are going to measure our sleeve round, that is around the bicep, which is 14 divided by 2, and this figure gives us 8 inches. We are going to mark our 8 inches. But before connecting it, we are going to measure our armhole round on the dress and also measure it round the sleeve to make sure that it matches perfectly. This is to avoid shortage or excess when sewing the arm to the dress, when sewing the sleeve to the dress. So we are going to connect our points, and this gives us our sleeve pattern. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. We are now going to cut our sleeve pattern so we get our sleeve. So this is it. We have our sleeve length, we have our cap height, and our sleeve pattern is on fold. When we open it, this is what we get. So dear viewers, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more interesting videos coming up next.